This next house that we're about to go to, we have in the actual kitchen, we expanded the original kitchen area back 14 feet by 21 feet wide. And you've seen the prior videos where we opened up all the walls in the surrounding area to create, in essence, a 21 foot wide by 40 foot area, kitchen and living area. So we're going to go over there now. I'm going to show you this beautiful kitchen that we're putting in. This could be one of the biggest kitchens you've seen. It's about almost 50 feet of cabinetry. It has a 5 foot by 8 foot island, and we're going to go over there and take a look at it. The guys are installing the cabinets, so we'll be coming and going and watching the installation of these cabinets and the setup that's involved with this particular kitchen. Okay, so now you can get a better idea of what it looks like when you walk in this open floor plan, first floor. We have the dining and actually the living area right over here. You can see all our new windows installed, recessed lighting, smooth transition, one ceiling going straight through, no lowered headers. You remember the steel beams that we put in there? And as we look now, you can see the size and scope of this kitchen. You got 19 feet over there, 19 full feet of cabinetry, another 12 feet over there, and then you have 14 feet over in this area with a desk, a bar, and you can see how nice this is coming out.